What's going on YouTube? Official Keith here, and today we have a watch face from the jeweler line of watch faces. This one is called Raven. Now, one of the first features that you know that I'm going to mention is the sweeping second hand. Once again, and I cannot say this enough, if your watch face has a sweeping second hand, that's an automatic win right there. Also, the level of detail that's involved with this watch face makes everything easy to read. It's really clear, especially in the daytime, and the fonts that are used for the numbers and letters are outstanding. This is yet another masterpiece by the main man, Darryl W. And without further ado, let's go ahead and check out some of the things of this watch face. With the Raven watch face, you have 16 complications, HD multicolor, ultra quality, and 3 customizable app shortcuts. And remember, with those app shortcuts, your watch must be on Tizen OS 2.3.2.3 or higher for those to work. As you can see here, this is a list of the features of the Raven watch face. A few notables: with the floor count, it only works on the Gear S3, Gear Sport, and the Galaxy watch. Unfortunately, it does not work for the Gear S2. And as I mentioned earlier, the app shortcuts will only work with Tizen 2.3.2.3. But here you can see the list of everything that's included with the watch face. So it's a healthy list, and you can just make this watch face look different every day, as you can change the theme combinations with this particular watch face, as it has 12 million theme combinations and 25 color variants. So it's a lot going on in this watch, but yet it's simple to read, and just an outstanding watch face for your watch piece. Speaking of customizable app shortcuts, here you can see the locations where those shortcuts would be on the watch face. And here's some detailed instructions on how to open the app, and then you can double tap to change the app. The display options available on this watch face include the battery, week of the year, steps goal, date and day of the week, time of the day of the year, heart rate, floors, steps, calories, digital and analog time, speedometer, moon phase, and distance. And remember, this watch face also is in a 12 and 24 hour version, so depending on your watch or your phone settings, will determine whether you have 12 or 24 hour format. As always, thanks for taking some time to watch my videos. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button, and if you subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Until next time, this is Official Keith. You're now official. We'll see you later.